Hello people, I've got a new tech video for you. Today the budget is £900, so today we're going to start off with the Ryzen 5 3600, not the X, not the overclocked one, just the regular, easy, simple, done and dusted, yeah. Stock cooler because that's actually quite good for the build. Gigabyte B450 DX3H V2 M80X motherboard. It's like decent, it works for the thingy. If it doesn't, you probably have to update the BIOS or just get a different one. Either way, this is what I could find that works with it. If it doesn't, well, tough luck, I guess. We're going to go for a Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 CL16 memory, 32 MHz. WD Blue 2.5-inch SSD and 1TB because, well, why not? It's decent, it works. You know, most people have them for budget builds. And graphics card, hard to find on the right price. We're going for the MSI Ventus XS overclocked GTX 1660. It does decent 1080p gaming, medium, high, depends on what game, old or new, you don't know. Decent for right now. Right, and it should just be good enough for there. Okay. Add that to the build, and we've gone for the Cooler Master Box TD 500 case because, well, it's good, it's got good airflow, easy, and I can't seem to find it in this. Just give us a few seconds. It's up, you idiot. This is a voiceover, by the way. Oh, I've gone past it again. Oh, down, there, oh, it's there. Oh, there you go. It comes with a control just in case, right? Top it off, we've gone for a Be Quiet Pure Power 11, 80 plus gold rated, so it won't be dying anytime soon. Semi-modular because I can't find a modular one, reason price. 400 watt ATX power supply. Gone for ATX, got ATX case, 400 watts because it's only about 300. And that's it. If you would like to give us a subscribe and comment what budget I should do next, thank you.